Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, whatever time you're watching this video. In my last video, I gave you a tour of our new apartment, and I said this. And then behind me is our shower, which I also don't need to show you, because it's literally just a shower. I mean, it's a Japanese shower, which are the best kind of showers ever, but it's just a shower. Naturally, this piqued curiosity in a few of you, and you asked why Japanese showers are the best. So in this video, I am going to tell you why Japanese showers are the best. Japanese shower rooms are a shower and bathtub in one. Every single inch of these rooms can get wet without any worry at all. And because of this simple yet wonderful fact, they are amazingly easy to clean. Just scrub away and hose the whole room down with the shower head. It's so easy. Don't you kind of wish you could do this to your whole house sometimes? Japanese-style baths are a great way to save water. The traditional routine is to first fill up your tub with very hot water. After the tub is full, wash your body outside of the tub and use the little bucket to scoop up water from the bathtub to rinse yourself. After you have washed yourself thoroughly and rinsed, get into the tub to have a nice soak. Ah, yes, and you don't need to worry about overflowing the tub. After you are done, you can leave the clean bath water for the next person to have their evening bath. Some honorable mentions of mine are no annoying curtains to deal with, and it's super easy to shave your legs because of the handy little stool and a decent amount of space. These are all the reasons that I have no idea how I can go back to a North American style tub and shower. Everyone deserves a shower that makes this much sense.